I nearly forgot to show you how to do ear wires out of wire. I cut them 2 inches long. And then I nearly forgot to show you how to do the ear wires. So you'll want to use a sandpaper after you do this, because you don't want them to be rough going into your ears. Real fine grit. I don't think that fingernail file will be enough, but I'm just showing you. This is the end that will go in your ear. Okay, now take your round nose pliers, catch the end, and roll up till you meet the wire. You'll have an eye. That's what you'll hang. You roll up until it meets the other wire, and you have an eye. Then you take a pencil, or I'm using a paintbrush, and you hold it and you just wrap it around. Well, and there is your ear wire. And this end is the end that you want to make sure it's not rough. You want that smooth. You want that smooth because you don't want to scratch somebody's ear. But they're simple to make. If you can get stainless steel or surgical steel or silver plated or